Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to turn off laptop display when using external monitors. Okay, here is my example. I'm using my Dell Precision 7740 laptop with my multiple monitors. So how to turn off my internal laptop display? It is very simple. Right click on your desktop, then choose display settings. Okay, here you can see there is two displays currently showing, 1 and 2, but actually there is 3 display. Okay, so go all the way down, then you can see option of advanced display, click that, then you can see option of select a display to view or change its settings. Okay, so choose here which display you need. I'm choosing this one, internal display. Okay, so here you can see remove display from laptop. I turn on the settings and currently my laptop is turned off. Okay, if you need to turn on that laptop display once again, you can simply click here to turn off these settings. Actually I turned on, so it is not showing here. So in this way you can simply turn on the settings to sleep your actually you can turn off your laptop display without sleeping your laptop for saving laptop battery or that kind of things. So that's guys, in this way you can simply turn off any display, and you are using multiple display, you can simply choose here, and also you can simply click here, remove this display from desktop, so that display will be going off without removing any data cables or without removing any HDMI cables or VJ cables. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.